Hi, this is your tech update for the week, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use a um, mind mapping tool called Bubble.us. So if you want to do this, there's a free account, and you can have up to 3 mind maps going at a time. It's kind of a fun tool that you can use either in class for brainstorming. You could have students use it for an organizational tool for paper writing, research, to get started in research. But you just have to set up a free account. To get started, you go to Bubble, but it's BUBBL.US. You'll have to register with your name and an email and a password. And when you log in, you'll be ready to start a mind map. It's pretty easy to use. I'll show you how to build a quick mind map. If you click on New, you'll get a blank page. You just start typing. We'll have some fun since it's the last day of this election cycle. So we'll go 2016 election. Okay. And then to add a link to it, you hit Control Enter, and it gives you a link off of the box that you're currently in. So if you wanted to add the candidates' names, you do that. If you want to add it off the center, you go back to it, hit Control Enter. It'll give you a second bubble. Just keep going back. If you then want to add bubbles off of the second layer, you can move those down, and you do the same thing. Hit Control Enter, and you'll get that. So maybe we'll do business. We'll go Control Enter. Just hit, whoops. Control Enter, you'll get, and you can just keep filling these up with anything that you are brainstorming or ideas for research. So you can see that if you had this on an overhead projector and students were giving you ideas, you could easily add these into a class lecture as you keep going through their ideas. You could, just go off of all of their ideas that they have. You can drag these around. So if you ended up with a lot of ideas, you can move the bubbles once they're on there so you can spread them out and see them easier. And if you are using it, once you get it finished, if you're using it for a selection, for a presentation, sometimes that's nice to do because you can make it easier to see. Some other buttons that you have up there, if you click the present mode, it's going to take it all the frames off so that it kind of zooms in on it. You can exit out of that. You can select, if you go into selection mode and you tap on each bubble that you want to select. Exit the mode, and then you can change the colors into a red mode. I selected all of them. If I wanted to do, like the original one had different colors of yellows and greens, I could do that. I could go back and have this red and this blue, and I could change those. I can change the text size all at once there. I can delete certain bubbles if I decide I don't want those, which is handy if you're working on research. If students are using it as a research tool, if they decide it's something they don't want, they can just select it and then delete that. Let's see. If you want to copy and paste this into another document, like a PowerPoint or a Word presentation, it's a little bit different. You want to save as, A JPEG image is usually the easiest. Down where your downloads are, you'll find it, and then it will open into your Windows photo viewer. At that point, you can just copy it, go into, I got an old one there, go into a new one and paste it into the document. So if you were doing an assignment where you wanted them to show a mind map, they can just download it and then upload it into the text of their paper, into a PowerPoint, whatever type of assignment that you are looking for. I haven't tried it, but I'm guessing you might be able to upload it as an image into a Canvas discussion, which might be kind of a nice way to do a class discussion if they're all trying to brainstorm different ideas. Just cancel out of that. Anyway, that's a very quick one. I'll be showing you some other mind map tools later on, but this is one that's pretty easy to use. Lets you do quite a few things with just a basic mind map or a brainstorm session. So hopefully this will be helpful for you in your classrooms, or helpful for students as they start to brainstorm for research topics. Thanks for watching the video. Hopefully we can keep adding more tools to our toolbox, and these are helpful things that you can use in class. Thanks.